welcome to What I Bought Wednesday. I am so full of joy that you are joining me here today. If you are just joining us, What I Bought Wednesday is all about the fun finds that I have discovered this week that I wanted to share with all of y'all. We share a little bit of beauty, we share a few home decor, and we often share fashion finds as well. So I am super excited that you are joining me here today. If this is your first time, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and that way you'll get notifications when a What I Bought Wednesday pops up in your feed. So let's get started. As always, all of the items are linked below. If you have any trouble finding them, just simply click on the title of this video, and then all of the links will be there in case y'all want to get more information on any of these products. So let's go ahead and get started. Gosh, where do I begin? Okay, the first thing I want to share with you guys is this fun home decor item. I don't know if y'all know this, but I have twins that are about to move into their very first dorm room. And so I actually purchased these curtain rods for their dorm room. They are very modern. They're super affordable. Gold and brass are trending for fall, so these are the perfect fit. They do come in several different colorways. And then I purchased these fun little clip-on rings. Just a quick fun home decor tip for you guys. If you want to really elevate any curtains that you already own, you can just purchase these clip-on rings. Here's a close-up of one. Let me show you a close-up. And they come with this simple clip right here. They're super easy to clip on the top. If you want to update maybe a pair of tab top curtains that you already have, you can just clip the tab tops off and then clip on the curtain, and then the curtain just easily slides on and slides around on the rod. So super fun, super easy, and very, very on trend right now. Okay, the next item I want to share with you is a fun beauty item. I don't know if you guys ever struggle with hair care or taking care of your hair. I recently have started wearing my hair straight. And when you wear your hair straight, you can see kind of really more of the texture of your hair. And I discovered this hair mask. It is super affordable. It is from Walmart, from the Heritage line. And let me show you kind of what the inside of it looks like. You can kind of see it. I've already been using it. I put it on, and I've had this for maybe 3 or 4 months, and that's about how much I've used. It doesn't take a whole lot of it, and it's under $8 at Walmart. Super affordable. I have it linked below. All you do is take it, I take a wide tooth comb it through my hair, and then I let it sit for about 5 minutes and then wash it out as the very last step in your hair care routine. So here it is, Heritage from Walmart, the hair mask, linked below. Okay, the next thing that I want to share with you guys is this super fun book. Okay, I don't know. I do say super fun. Someone commented in one of the comments that I say super fun a lot. I probably do. I just can't help it. Everything is super fun. So including this book. This is a fun organizing book. The best thing that I love about this book, and the reason why I want to recommend it, is it takes you through an entire year. So let me open it up and kind of show you the inside of it. There are calendars for every month. So here's an example of a calendar. For September, it walks you through all of kind of the different things, just ideas to get you ready for the holidays, to get you ready for Christmas and Thanksgiving and fall and all that fun stuff. But every single month has a calendar, and it's full of tons of organizing tips and ideas for every single space in your home. So I love it. It's by Martha Stewart, and I will link it below. Absolute gold. Love this book. Okay, the next thing I want to share with you guys is kind of a game changer. It is this Grout Pen. I don't know if any of you guys have a bathroom where your grout is a little bit maybe not the cutest, maybe needs a little bit of help. Well, here is your best friend. I actually saw this on, I don't know, maybe an infomercial or something, and I was like, does it work? And I ordered it, and it 100% does work. It brightens your grout and makes it just look lighter and fresher without all of the challenge and expense of taking the grout out and redoing it. This is just, you just use it like a paint pen. Let me just take the top off. You'll just use it like this, shake it up, and then press the bottom part onto like a paper towel or something like that, and then follow the instructions that it comes with, and you can really update it. Just use it just like a pen and go along your grout lines and update it. So I have the Grout Pen linked below as well. And then the very last thing that I want to share with you guys is kind of a fun little fashion tip. So I don't know if you have noticed, but a lot of times I'll wear my hair kind of slicked back. And when you slick back your hair, there's little wispies kind of over your ears, or there's wispies kind of on the top of your hair. I have a fun solution for you. Let's go. This is an eyebrow gel pen. So what I do is after I have it slicked back and have those little wispies, I simply take the eyebrow gel pen out and I kind of put it right there to smooth down your hair. You can also use it on the top of your hair to smooth any of the wispies on the top of your hair. It works better to me than hairspray or another hair care product. It comes in a set of 2 of these, very, very affordable. I have them linked below as well. So I hope you guys liked everything I shared today. Just as a reminder, we have this fun eyebrow gel, we have the Grout Pen, we have this fun hair mask, and we have this amazing curtain rod along with these fun gold curtain rings as well. And last but definitely not least, we have this fun organizing book. So I hope that you guys enjoyed all of these finds that I discovered for us. As always, and just a reminder, I'm here to share things that bring me joy. That does not mean that you need to buy all of this stuff. If you don't need any of it, I would say don't buy it. Only buy things that bring you joy. The secret to being content in life is finding things that bring you joy, not filling up your house with a bunch of stuff. So if you like any of it, you think you might need it, all of the links are below. I would love it if you would subscribe for my next What I Bought Wednesday, which will be coming up next week. And as always, I just want to thank you guys so much for following along with my channel, for subscribing, for encouraging me, leaving me the sweetest of comments. I truly, truly appreciate each and every single one of you. Now, go take on the day and have a day as amazing as you are.